Hello traders, and yes, I am back for another edition of Hotspots. Because last week my computer exploded, you may not have seen me, but let's dive into the 26th through the 29th and talk about what's going on in the high impact news world. Starting with Wednesday the 26th, we will see news in the afternoon, FOMC news out of the US at 2 and 2:30 p.m. As we work our way into Thursday, we're going to have news every 15 minutes beginning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time, then again at 8:30, then again at 8:45 across both the US and Europe. It's also worth noting that we have tentative news going on out of Japan. As we work our way into Friday, that tentative Japanese news will continue. There's also a German prelim CPI going on as well. That's worth noting. And then at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, we'll see news out of both the US and Canada. And then finally out of the US at 10 a.m. And that does it for Friday. Saturday, a whole lot of nothing. Enjoy your weekend, and I will see you in the next one.